check it out. We're just rolling out here in Jasper, Alabama. This place is raining a little bit, but it's full of good people, and we're about to kick it off. Blue Collar Tour 2024 Western Welding Academy. Let's go weld with the boys and girls in Jasper, Alabama.
We are the infrastructure of the entire country. It's the men and women that are out here in the rain. It's the people that are putting in our water lines. It's the people building our roads. It's the people in the mayor's office that are putting that money where it belongs, that helps us and the blue collars actually invest into us and make sure these businesses need a tax break. If they don't get a tax break, they'll probably move to some other country. We need it here because we live here. This is where we work. And without us being able to work and show our passion to these kids, blue collar really means nothing. If I had to say anything to anybody else that was out there that was trying to make their mind up, find something you love, something that you don't have to worry about being paid for, something that you love creating with your hands, using your mind, sharpening your mind. Somebody will pay you for it.
Blue Collar Tour!
I don't know where you're at, Poff, but bring it up. Let's give him a round of applause. I'm just like super mind blown, impressed with. Dude's got a broken back and he's still here today.
All the other welding instructors, I gotta give y'all credit too. It ain't just about me, I just happened to sign in for it. But they also did the same thing by sacrificing the day to bring you here, right? So you had this great opportunity. You think we just come in and make a paycheck and go home? That ain't how it works. Y'all are part of our life. You're family to us. We struggle every day, right? We all in different moods. Things changes in life every day, but we still love y'all every minute of it. We love y'all.
All right, let's give it up for all these people right up here. Come on. Check it out, Jasper, Alabama. I'll tell you what, I get the opportunity to travel this entire country. There's a lot of miles between us and Wyoming. There's a lot of country that we've covered to get here, and we got a long ways to go yet. But the reason we do this is because each and every one of you is important. You guys are the heart and the soul of this school, this town, this city, this state. Never forget your path. One of the biggest national security threats that our country faces, our response and readiness time as manufacturing comes back to America, as it inevitably will. Who's going to fill all those jobs? Who's going to take that? Each and every one of you will have an opportunity to make insane money, insane opportunities. You are so important, and the decisions that you make, there's so much future ahead of you. So don't forget that.
Blue Collar Tour! 2024!
Woo! Dude, Jasper, Alabama, you guys threw down. You didn't disappoint last year, and you definitely didn't disappoint this year. This was amazing. I'm telling you what, full of really good people here in Jasper. I loved it. Now, we're gonna roll this bandwagon up. We're gonna head down to Florida. Let's